Chocolate should not be put in the refrigerator. Chocolate can be stored at room temperature. But if it is put in the refrigerator, it can cause the crystal structure of the fats to change, which can make the texture worse. Find out more free health tips at wellnesswang.com. The best way to preserve chocolate is to eat it.